Hello, I'm Shyla Hibbett, Talent Acquisition Specialist at LEVC.
My name's Jonathan Stanford. I'm the Head of People Experience here at LEVC. We know that we've got around about 120 direct competitors within a 30-mile radius of here. So making us slightly different and trying different things to attract candidates in is really important. So there was a point about 12 months ago where we had a surge of new roles coming in numbers of different areas within the organisation. And it was at a tipping point where we were thinking, do we need to increase the numbers of manpower in the talent team? Or is it that we need to improve the systems and processes that we've got? And it was at that stage we then sought to find a new ATS that could help us to accommodate that increased volume. In terms of the setup, super simple, really easy for us to customise and make it feel really personal. One of the bits that we wanted to make sure came across clearly in our website is our vision, but also something that's new for LEVC is our guiding principles. And it's that we utilise to really help attract the right people in. And we use that as a thread through. So our interview process is based around these guiding principles. And on day one in our induction, as well as some of the merchandise you receive on day one that is heavily linked to our sustainability, innovation values, we also showcase why it's really important here at LEVC. Certainly the website itself was a big reason why we flipped over to this new ATS, and in terms of putting it in place, I personally find it very, very easy to do.
Our website has definitely attracted some really good quality candidates, so that's been great for us in terms of the experience on the candidate side. We find that we can screen candidates quicker. Hiring managers are responding and giving feedback quicker, because prior to that we weren't following any processes and managers were going out to agencies, so our spend on our agencies has decreased as well. Some of the job boards that we go out to have attracted definitely a higher calibre of candidate and more specialist for the roles we're looking for, so we're able to attract sort of the correct talent for the technical and element that we're recruiting for within the automotive industry.
Pre-Teamtailor, we're at just over 30 days, and we're now averaging 21 and a half days. So that's the bit that kind of gets me out of the seat, and I'm excited because I know that our hiring managers want us to be bringing people in as quickly as possible. And certainly for our candidates, it feels brilliant that we're able to place them so smoothly and quickly.
What we really like is we can send emails, to candidates through the system, and the managers are able to to see everything. So everything's quite clear in terms of a system and a database for us, and we're all on one page basically when it comes to the candidates, and we know what process what stage they're at.
So the feedback from candidates, actually one of the candidates had left a message saying it was the best candidate experience that they've ever had. And for me, it's about being able to have some of that personal touch, which you probably wouldn't think of as being the go-to for a system, but it is being able to have those informal conversations with candidates as they're moving through the process. Really helps them feel part of it and feel connected before they join. Our retention stats, when we measure within the first 3 months, move from 72% to 95%. And for us, that kind of goes to prove how smooth the process is as a candidate, but then feeling part of the organisation long before their day one of onboarding.
To someone that is considering using Teamtailor, it's a great tool to collaborate with your teams with recruitment in terms of your hiring managers and your candidates. It's definitely it's a brilliant tool, and it's quite easy to use as a program. So yeah.